Do you dream of traveling the world, but find yourself discouraged by the visa requirements of different countries? Well, what if we told you that you can travel the world without a visa? That's right. In this video, we'll show you how to travel the world without a visa. From visa-free destinations to visa waivers and special programs, we've got some exciting tips that will inspire you to travel and explore the world. 1. Visa-free destinations. Many countries offer visa-free entry to certain nationalities for a limited period. For example, citizens of the United States can visit 183 countries without a visa or with a visa on arrival. Countries like Brazil, Chile, and Uruguay offer visa-free entry to citizens of several countries in the Americas and Europe. You can check visa requirements on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you want to visit. 2. Visa waiver programs. Visa waiver programs allow citizens of certain countries to enter another country without a visa for a specified period. For example, the Visa Waiver Program, VWP, of the United States allows citizens of 39 countries to enter the U.S. without a visa for up to 90 days. Other countries that offer visa waiver programs include Canada, Japan, and the United Kingdom. You can check if your country is eligible for a visa waiver program on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you want to visit. 3. Diplomatic and official passports. Diplomatic and official passport holders can travel to many countries without a visa or with a visa on arrival. These passports are issued to government officials, diplomats, and other high-ranking officials. If you have a diplomatic or official passport, you can check visa requirements on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you want to visit. 4. Special programs. Some countries offer special programs that allow travelers to enter without a visa or with a simplified visa process. For example, the Australian Electronic Travel Authority, ATA, allows citizens of certain countries to apply for a visa online, which is processed in minutes. Other countries that offer special programs include Singapore, Thailand, and the United Arab Emirates. You can check if the country you want to visit offers a special program on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country. 5. Dual citizenship. If you have dual citizenship, you can travel to many countries without a visa or with a simplified visa process. For example, if you have both British and Australian citizenship, you can travel to many countries in the European Union without a visa. You can check visa requirements on the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you want to visit. Traveling the world without a visa may seem impossible, but it's not. By visiting visa-free destinations, using visa waiver programs, using diplomatic and official passports, taking advantage of special programs, and having dual citizenship, you can see the world without worrying about visas. Traveling without a visa requires a bit of research and planning, but it's worth it. So pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.